Hello guys, Damien Jones here again for you today. And today I want to pick this up. It's let's bring it into the light. It's a James Keeler and Sons Dundee Marmalade pot, Victorian one. It says only prize medal for Marmalade, London, 1862. And then at the top it says Grand Medal of Merit, Vienna, 1873. As you can imagine, it's been in the ground for well over a century. It's got a few problems. Obviously, there's nothing you can do about this crazing. This is caused by many winters and summers being in the ground. The glaze cracks. But what we did have was a really nasty chip in the corner. And this is still setting. Let's use some epoxy resin just to try and complete it, because I thought it was far too good to waste, basically. It's not the most perfect of lips, but it's better than none at all. Because that's like half-inch chip right out the side, which really spoils it. I mean, I can do the crazing. I think that gives it character, if anything. But a chip out the top, I just can't do. So I went and got some. Where are we? Some milliput, just a standard one. Mixed it together and pretty much just worked it on there with as you would if you were plasticine modelling or whatever. Once that sets hard, I suppose I could always paint the rim completely. I mean, it's ruined anyway, so it doesn't really matter. As long as it's serviceable, I don't think that's such a bad repair. Anyway, it's just a quick video, just to let you know that I am still about, and I am still tinkering about, as usual, with things and stuff. And I'll be back really soon. I won't leave it so long next time. For now, though, my name's Damien Jones, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.